Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-threading sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Brother XM2701 sewing machine. At just $129.99, this is our budget-friendly option, ideal for beginners or those who need a lightweight and versatile machine for everyday sewing projects. It offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, along with an auto-size buttonhole feature. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin make threading a breeze, even for those who are new to sewing. In terms of design and build, the XM2701 is lightweight at just 12.6 pounds, making it portable and easy to store. Despite its compact size, the free arm design adds versatility for tasks like hemming or working on cuffs. The included accessories, such as 6 sewing feet, a twin needle, and instructional DVD, make this an excellent starter kit for anyone new to sewing. However, the lightweight build means it may not hold up as well for more intensive quilting projects. While it won't have the advanced features of higher-end models, the XM2701 excels at offering simplicity and reliability at an affordable price. It's perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into sewing without breaking the bank. The downside is its limited stitch options compared to more expensive machines, but for casual use, it gets the job done beautifully. At number 4, we have the Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine. Priced at $149.99, this mid-range option offers 60 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom stitch functions, making it a step up for users who need more creative flexibility. The 7 auto-size buttonholes and improved needle threader add convenience, while the LCD display makes selecting stitches and adjusting settings straightforward. In terms of design, the CS5055 boasts a durable metal frame, ensuring stability even during more challenging projects. The larger needle-to-arm workspace is a welcome feature for users working on quilts or other larger pieces. Weighing just 10.5 pounds, the machine remains lightweight, yet its construction feels solid and reliable. Accessories like 7 sewing feet, a needle set, and multilingual user manuals enhance its value, making it suitable for intermediate sewers. While the CS5055 is a fantastic machine for its price, it does lack some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as a wide table or hard protective case. However, for users upgrading from basic machines or looking for versatility at a reasonable price, this sewing machine is a great choice. Its combination of performance and affordability makes it a strong contender in this lineup. Taking the number 3 spot is the Brother XR3774 sewing and quilting machine. Priced at $159.99, this model offers 37 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting stitches, along with a one-step buttonhole feature. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin provide ease of use, while the wide table makes it perfect for larger projects like quilts or curtains. The XR3774 is designed for versatility, featuring a free arm that makes it easier to sew cylindrical items such as sleeves or pant legs. The machine feels sturdy at 15 pounds and includes accessories like 8 sewing feet, a machine cover, and an instructional DVD. The wide table is a standout feature for quilters, providing ample space to maneuver fabric. However, the stitch selection is slightly limited compared to other computerized models, which might be a drawback for more advanced users. This sewing machine is ideal for users who want a reliable quilting machine without venturing into premium price territory. The XR3774 strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a great choice for hobbyists and intermediate sewers. While it lacks some advanced features like an LCD screen, Its overall performance and build quality make it a worthwhile investment. At number 2 is the Brother XR 9550 computerized sewing and quilting machine, priced at $229.99. This model is loaded with features, including 165 built-in stitches, 110 utility and decorative stitches, plus 55 alphanumeric stitches for monogramming. The LCD display is intuitive and makes stitch selection and customization quick and easy, while the automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin save time and effort. The machine is lightweight at just 10.1 pounds, but comes with a protective hard cover and wide table, ensuring durability and ample workspace for quilting and larger projects. Included accessories, such as 8 presser feet and an instructional DVD, make it suitable for users of all skill levels. The combination of a computerized interface and a vast variety of stitch options makes this an excellent choice for creative sewers looking to take their skills to the next level. While the XR 9550 excels in its feature set, it is slightly pricier than other models in this lineup. Additionally, its lightweight build might not feel as robust as some of the heavier machines. However, for users seeking versatility and advanced functionality, this machine delivers exceptional value and performance, making it a top contender in its category. Finally, at number 1 is the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. At $239.99, this premium model is the epitome of versatility and functionality. It boasts 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom options, along with 7 auto-size buttonholes. The improved needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin simplify setup, while the LCD display ensures precise stitch selection and easy customization. The CS7000X is built for durability, featuring a metal frame and fixed needle bar that provides stability even during demanding projects. The large needle-to-arm workspace and wide table make it perfect for quilting and larger items, while the 10 included sewing feet offer incredible flexibility for different sewing techniques. Accessories like the protective hard case and quilt guide further enhance its appeal for advanced sewers and quilting enthusiasts. While the CS7000X is the most expensive machine in this lineup, its combination of advanced features, sturdy build, and versatility justify the price. It's ideal for experienced users or professionals looking for a reliable machine that can handle complex projects with ease. The only drawback is its slightly heavier weight, but for those who prioritize performance and features, the CS7000X is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.